Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure React query caching for dashboard performance, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure React query caching for your dashboard performance, start by installing React Query if you haven't already. Use the command npm install React Query or yarn add React Query in your project directory. Next, import Query Client and Query Client Provider from React Query in your main application file. Create a new instance of Query Client. You can customize caching configurations during this instance creation. Set the default options property to control the query behavior, especially the stale time and cache time. For example, you might want your data to be fresh for a specific duration before being marked as stale. Use stale time to specify how long the data will remain fresh. Set cache time to determine how long unreferenced data remains in the cache before being garbage collected. Since you're focusing on dashboard performance, prioritize low stale time and adequate cache time. Next, wrap your application with the Query Client Provider, passing in your Query Client instance as a prop. Now, every time you use a query in your components, it will respect the caching configurations you've set. When fetching data, utilize the useQuery hook provided by React Query. Apply appropriate keys for each query to ensure they are uniquely identified in the cache. If your dashboard allows for dynamic data updates, consider using the Refetch on Window Focus and Refetch on Reconnect options. These settings help ensure your data is in sync without adversely affecting performance. For additional control, explore Use Mutation for data changes, allowing you to maintain the cache efficiently. After mutating data, you can invalidate or refetch queries to keep your cache up to date. Monitor your application's performance and adjust the caching settings as needed based on user feedback and data usage. Incorporating React Query's caching features will significantly enhance your dashboard's performance and user experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.